Hi there, thanks for getting started with Travefy. My name's Scott, and I'm part of the team here at Travefy. And in the Getting Started guide, these are just designed to be quick, step-by-step videos of how to get started with your Travefy account. And all of these will just be kind of bite-sized videos, about 2 to 3 minutes long, just designed to be really simple and help you get started on a step-by-step basis. So in this video, we're just going to walk through some of the basics as you're getting started with your free trial. And in this video, we'll talk about just a quick walkthrough of how to fill out your profile to add in your logo and contact details, some navigational walkthrough of the trips page, your account and settings, as well as where to find the library and some of the support and training resources. So let's go ahead and jump in. So as you can see in my account here, to get started, you can fill out your profile by clicking your name at the top, and this is where you can edit your profile there by selecting the profile option. And within here, this is where you can add in your name, contact details, your professional photo, and logo. So it's very simple. You can just drag and drop your logo in there. We typically recommend a horizontally oriented logo. That typically works best and displays your logo in the largest size. So choose a horizontally oriented logo. And then you can also upload your photo and crop and position it that way. There's also an option where you can actually assign multiple brand profiles within your account. Just contact our support for more information on that if that's relevant to you. Within your account, once you sign in at Travefy.com, you'll land on the trips page. So this is where any of the current itineraries or proposals that you might be working on within your account are stored. And if you look down the left-hand side under that trips tab at the top, you'll see some different organizational options to filter by date or filter by status. And one of the main takeaways you can look at a little bit further in your account is you can choose how you want to organize your trips. So with that filter by status option, Travefy allows you to create customized statuses, and that's an easy way to group and organize your trips with, whether it's in a linear organizational process or if you want to group it differently. It's completely up to you. Now, if you select a trip here, you can choose to edit that trip, preview it, or copy it or archive it. So the archive, there's no limit to how many trips you want to archive, so you can archive trips that are in the past or irrelevant. But one feature that is really relevant and useful for agents and advisors that are doing a high volume of trips or working with groups is that copy feature. So that copy option allows you to duplicate out and copy itineraries. So if you're working with a group and you need to duplicate out a quote very quickly, you could create a master template of that quote, or if you're a tour operator and you have packages that you offer, you can duplicate those out with that copy option. Now as well, within the interface here, I'll go up to my name at the top and go ahead and click Account. And this is where I can access different options within my account to look at my plan details once I've selected my plan. There are other options for some of the power-ups like the marketing profile that you can edit. You can add any of your team members. So Travefy does have really wonderful team functionality that you can access, and that way you can give all of those accounts access to the same trips and library information, and then we offer volume discounts for those additional team members. You can update your payment details. We have a really great referral program you can check out. There's more information in our support center. Update your password, or there are various settings options for consortia content, turning on or off automatic flight updates, as well as some options for our proposals functionality. Now, the other area just to touch on that we'll go into in more depth on a different video is the library. That's right there, and then a new feature coming out called contacts, but we'll touch on those later. Now, in terms of support, if you need to reach out to our customer support team in your account, there's live chat, and it's typically in the bottom left corner. There's a blue chat icon in the bottom left corner. You won't see it on my screen because I'm an administrator for our support team, but you can access that live chat. That's always the fastest way to get a hold of our support team. Now, you can reach out to our support team and get quick responses, and that chat is available from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time in the U.S. on business days. So that's where you'll get an answer pretty quickly during business days. Otherwise, if you're outside of that time frame, feel free to leave messages in the support chat box, and our team will respond to those as soon as the office opens up the next business day. And then lastly, we have a support center with that help option in the top right. You can click that, and that's where you can access our Getting Started guide that you found here, tutorial videos. You can schedule live training sessions with our team, our help article library, as well as attend weekly webinars, etc. So lots of great support and training resources to help you get started. But for now, that's about as much as we plan to cover in this video. Continue to check out the rest of the videos in the Getting Started guide, and let us know if you have any questions.